Welcome to Torremolinos, Spain, a sun-soaked paradise on the Costa del Sol. Known for its golden beaches, vibrant culture, and lively atmosphere, this coastal gem offers something for everyone. Whether you're a foodie eager to savor traditional Andalusian cuisine, an adventurer ready to explore hidden coves, or someone just looking to unwind by the sea, Torremolinos has it all. In this video, we're diving into the 7 best things to do in Torremolinos, from its iconic beaches to charming streets, thrilling attractions, and much more. Get ready to discover why this Mediterranean destination is a favorite for travelers from around the globe. Let's dive in. Number 7. Torremolinos Old Town. Step into the heart of Torremolinos and discover its vibrant old town, a perfect blend of history, culture, and charm. Begin your journey at the lively Paseo Marítimo del Bajondillo, the seafront promenade that leads you straight into the oldest part of town. Take a leisurely stroll down the pedestrian-friendly Calle San Miguel, where you'll find a variety of restaurants, bars, and unique shops. From stylish boutiques and jewelers to quaint souvenir stores and delicatessens, there's something here for everyone. Don't miss the Parroquia de San Miguel Arcángel, an 18th-century neoclassical church nestled in a cozy square at the end of the street. And for history buffs, the Torre de Pimentel, dating back to the 1300s, is a fascinating reminder of the town's rich past. Torremolinos Old Town is a must-visit spot that beautifully combines the old and the new. What will you explore first? Number 6. Playa La Caracola, one of Torremolinos' hidden gems, and a perfect escape for beach lovers seeking tranquility and charm. Located on the quieter side of town, this picturesque beach offers a laid-back atmosphere, ideal for families, couples, or solo travelers looking to unwind. Stretching along the Costa del Sol, Playa La Caracola boasts soft, golden sands and crystal-clear waters, making it perfect for swimming and sunbathing. The gentle waves and shallow waters are especially great for younger visitors. When you've soaked up the sun, head to one of the cozy chiringuitos along the promenade. Here you can enjoy delicious local seafood and refreshing drinks while taking in the stunning coastal views. Playa La Caracola is the perfect spot to relax and recharge during your visit to Torremolinos. Number 5. Casa de los Navajas. Step into a piece of history at Casa de los Navajas, a stunning example of Spanish medieval Moorish architecture that experienced a revival in the 1920s and 1930s. Built by a wealthy family in 1925, this architectural gem is adorned with elegant mosaics and features interiors that blend Art Deco with Spanish Renaissance design. No wonder it was declared a building of historic interest in 1991. Inside, explore a fascinating photography exhibition that captures the essence of the city's vibrant history. With its breathtaking architecture and location, Casa de los Navajas is also a sought-after venue for weddings and ceremonies throughout the year. Don't miss this captivating attraction in Torremolinos. Number 4. Torremolinos Botanical Garden. The Botanical Garden Molino de Inca is a serene escape for nature lovers. This beautifully landscaped garden combines vibrant flora, historic charm, and peaceful walking trails, making it a must-visit spot for anyone seeking a quiet retreat. As you wander through the garden, you'll encounter a dazzling variety of plant species, from exotic palms to vibrant flowers that change with the seasons. Don't miss the ancient watermill, lovingly restored and still operational, offering a glimpse into the region's agricultural past. The garden is also home to several aviaries, where colorful birds bring an added touch of life and beauty. For those seeking serenity, the shaded pathways and tranquil fountains provide the perfect spot to relax and reconnect with nature. Whether you're a plant enthusiast or simply seeking a peaceful escape, this botanical haven in Torremolinos is not to be missed. Number 3. Benalmádena Pueblo, a charming hilltop village that feels like stepping back in time to Spain's yesteryears. This tranquil escape, with its picturesque streets and peaceful ambiance, offers a stark contrast to the bustling energy of nearby Torremolinos. Stroll through the village's heart, Plaza de España, a quaint square framed by orange trees. Here, life slows down, and the air is filled with the scent of citrus and the soft murmur of conversation. Nearby, the village church boasts stunning gardens with breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. One of the most delightful sights is the vibrant flower pots adorning the whitewashed walls of homes. Geraniums in bright reds and pinks pop against the pristine facades, creating a scene straight out of a postcard. Whether you're seeking peace, charm, or a glimpse of traditional Spanish beauty, Benalmádena Pueblo is a hidden gem worth exploring. Number 2. Parque La Bataria. Escape the hustle and bustle of Torremolinos at Parque La Bataria, a serene green oasis offering stunning sea views and plenty of family-friendly attractions. Built on the site of a former defensive artillery battery, the park blends history and nature. Keep an eye out for its old cannons and 2 underground bunkers that tell stories of its military past. For families, the charming Venetian-style carousel is a highlight, with over 50 whimsical figures to delight kids and the young at heart. Take a leisurely boat ride across the park's beautiful man-made lake, or climb the mirador for breathtaking views of the Mediterranean and surrounding mountains. Parque La Bataria is a must-visit for relaxation and exploration in Torremolinos. Number 1. Visit Aqualand Torremolinos, the biggest water park on the Costa del Sol and a must-visit attraction for thrill-seekers and families alike. From adrenaline-pumping slides and twisting tubes to family-friendly water rides, there's something for everyone here. Whether you're racing down the kamikaze slide or relaxing on the lazy river, the fun is endless. Surrounding the action are lush garden areas, making Aqualand the perfect spot to unwind between rides. If you're traveling with kids, you'll love the specially designed zones tailored for younger adventurers. Need a break? Head to the shaded green spaces for a relaxing picnic to recharge before diving back into the fun. Aqualand Torremolinos isn't just a water park, it's an unforgettable experience for the whole family.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.